Chapter 8. I attempt to shoot the Ashton Kutcher interview without Elliot, but my throat tightens. I hope he calls so I can tell him I'm sorry, because I am. I let Hammy out of his cage and pet behind his ears, which usually makes me feel better, but not today. If Mom were here, she'd probably sit on the edge of my bed, push my hair out of my eyes, and tell me to call Elliot and apologize. And I'd tell Mom I can't call Elliot and apologize, because even though I know what I said was mean, it's Elliot's fault too. He was a jerk all summer. I was only a jerk today. Mom would probably tell me to call anyways. She'd talk to me about things like karma and how my spirit would be enhanced if I called and apologized. She'd remind me that Elliot's been my best friend for years. I hold Hammy in one hand and the phone in the other, but I can't make myself press the numbers. I can't shoot the interview. I don't feel like making the PSA. This was supposed to be a great day. It was just another lousy day in a string of lousy summer days.